Hello, this is Leon from Niafikra Group with a simple video on how to update prices on billing module that's running on Inaya. So firstly, I would log in into the system, and in order to update prices we have to navigate to the billing module, and then we go to the prices tab, and then from there we could select the billing category that we want to update. In this case, there's an option with retail, postpaid, and different categories, but in my case I'll choose retail. Secondly, you have to choose the currency on which you want to update. In this case, my prices are in euro, and from there on you can click the upload button to upload an Excel file that would have the new prices, and the system will automatically update the prices as per the Excel file. But before we do that, we need to download the template in which our data will be placed in. So you can just click the download button as I've shown you there, and we would have that file. In my case, there's our template file. So as we can see, it has 4 columns: name column, base price, additional charges, and selling price. And from there you could fill in the data and proceed to upload it to the system. Another option is you could have your existing data structure, as with me here. I have my data, my billable item, and their prices are on another file. So I could format this file to match the template and proceed to upload it to the system. Okay, so before the formatting process now, the first thing that we check, we have to make sure that the column names that are on the template do match the one in your file. So in this case, we have 2 extra columns here. We have the code column and the category column that are found in my data file, but they're not on the template. So we have to get rid of these 2 columns by just deleting them, and we can proceed. And after that, we could see we have our data file has 4 columns just as our template file. The next thing we have to check is to make sure that all billable items have base price and selling price. So with my data file here, any billable item that does not have a price contains a not set. It is a value of not set. So I can just easily search to find any billable items that does not have a base price. In this case, I found one. Here it is. I can just delete this item since there's no base, there's no selling price, so it's useless for it to be here. And there's another one right here. I also delete that billable item, and I do my search again just to make sure that all billable items have prices. And as you can see, every billable item has a base price. We do the same search on selling price to make sure that every billable item has a selling price and all is good. And the third step is to make sure that we remove the currency from the base price column and the selling price column, so that we are left with the numeric value only. And the quickest way to do that is to search and replace. In this case, in my column, the base price column, I would search and replace. I would search for euro and replace it with an empty string. As you can see, just an empty space will do, and then replace all, and all the currency has been removed from my base price column. I'll do the same thing for the selling price column. I would replace euro with an empty space, and I'll say replace all and close. So I'll be left with base price and selling price, but without the currencies. And then the second thing that the fourth thing that I need to do here is to make sure that I remove all these not set values that have been placed in the additional charges, since the system can recognize empty cells and it will place the default value for you. So there's no need for us to put a not set value here. So in this case, I can just select from the starting row there to the last row, and then shift click I violated all of them, and then I can just easily delete. And there we are. And now we have our billable items with the updated prices that are ready to be uploaded in the system. So I can just choose to save my file, and I can close it. I can close the template also. Here's my final file. I'll go back to the system and click the upload button, and after that, and then I'll select the file to upload, reports 26, and that's it. The upload was completed. You can check to make sure that you have the updated prices. In this case, I'll just search for one billable item here, automatic, the oil cold automatic transmission cleaner, and the base price is 7.37 and selling price is 8.7. So I can check to see that if it's updated. Yeah, we have base price, sorry, the base price is 7.37 and the selling price is 8.7, just as it is indicated on our file here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something. Goodbye.